Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Robinhood, step by step, in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to cancel an order in the Robinhood app. First, keep in mind that only pending orders can be canceled. Once an order has already been executed, it can't be reversed. One way to cancel a pending order is through the Investing tab. Open the Robinhood app and tap on the Investing tab located near the bottom of the screen. From there, look for your pending order and tap on it. This will take you to the Order Details page. On the Details page, scroll to the Pending Order section and select the order you want to cancel. Now tap Cancel Order, and that's it. Your pending order will be canceled. Another way to cancel an order is through the Account tab. Tap the Account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select History. This shows all of your recent activity, including pending orders. Find the order you want to cancel and tap on it. Then tap Cancel Order to remove it. Canceling fractional share orders works the same way as whole share orders, as long as the order is still pending. In some cases, if the order is already in the process of being executed, it may no longer be eligible for cancellation. And that's it. That's how you cancel an order on Robinhood. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Robinhood tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.